Marcus, where are you? Where are you? Can anybody see him? It's like walking in a jungle. Found you. I found you.
Hello?
I found you. What
You
are you
find
doing?
me?
What are you doing in there?
You want to see what I found in here?
Yeah.
Found a piece of pumpkin, you see, man. Pretty, like a crazy prettiness. Oh my, you know what, right? This one is absolutely right. Look at this beauty here. Look what's coming up here now. Oh my word. Look at this. Look at this lovely. Look at this pumpkin here.
Wow.
Oh my god. No. This one is like absolutely. No, you can't hold it, man. It's heavy. Hey, player. Heavy, man. You want to take it?
If you can hold it
Oh,
up.
feel it. You think I'm joking? Feel it.
What? No, it's too heavy.
Yeah.
No, that's too heavy for my
Yeah,
one
man.
hand.
So, this one here is gonna be what? Roast pumpkin. This gonna be the roast pumpkin of all pumpkin, you know.
Definitely.
And
My
we're gonna roast this
favorite.
one. Yeah?
Yeah.
When we roast this pumpkin here, we're gonna cut it and we're gonna give some to TikTok, make them mouth water.
Wow.
After the pumpkin there. Gee, you waste.
Look at that.
Where's the other one? You see the other one there where we hide? Where is it? See there? See there?
Yeah.
Look here. Look there.
Oh wow. I didn't even see that I was standing next to a pumpkin.
And that one is young. Yeah. So,
Look how it hide itself underneath the leaf.
yeah, man.
I didn't even see I was standing next to a pumpkin here.
So we're gonna go. We can go to the house over here. Now creep and go. Meet me on the side right there. Go back some bro.
Okay.
Meet me on this one.
Tomatoes still coming out.
Yeah.
So it's pruning the tomatoes because it's been neglected for a little while. So it's pruning. Look at
this
him.
now.
I can't find him again. He's gone.
Look there.
He's
Look what we got here. Look in there. Look in this one. Look, take a look in there. Look at that beauty.
Oh wow.
and the baby as well. Oh, look like watermelon ready. Look like watermelon ready still. Ready or not? We're picking ready or not, yeah?
No, don't pick it.
You're not
Don't
ready yet,
pick
man. It's
it.
still
Don't
young.
pick it. Move the
Young.
leaf so TikTok can see in there.
Young man,
This
in there.
this leaf here.
Him young.
That's our first watermelon.
Him a baby.
Yeah.
He's a baby.
Hopefully get a bit bigger.
Yeah. Yeah?
Tomatoes still. He's just pruning up the tomatoes. Some nice scotch body peppers in there. Can you see them? Nice
Yeah.
peppers in there. Yeah. What you said? More blessing?
Every time.
Nice one.